The Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Flip series of smartphones are the most successful foldable phones across the globe, and Samsung's mobile business expects that the foldable smartphone market will grow by 80% by 2025. During a meeting conducted by Samsung MX in the third week of October 2022, HART suppliers were told that the foldable smartphone market will have an annual growth rate of up to 80% by 2025. Moreover, the company also added that SPACs tech giant Apple to join the foldable space in 2024. However, entry will be with notebooks and tablets first and not with smartphones. In the South Korean market, Samsung shared that the youth in their 20s and 30s were changing the devices from Apple to Samsung foldable phones. This is set already 3 to 4 times higher than before. Samsung also believes that 90% of foldable smartphone users will stick with the new form factor and will purchase a foldable smartphone as their next year device. Samsung has come close to perfecting the foldable phone over the past few years, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than current models. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 far away from the launch, but the rumors wheels are starting to pointing out that what is going to be potentially coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 5? Well, basically the major update that we could receive in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 or will be in the camera department and in the processor department. The Z Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. As this year we get to know about the Samsung, we're going to use a new stacking technology which helps Samsung to put a bigger battery in the same size as the rollable batteries, which means we can hope to get a bigger battery on the Z Fold 5, potentially bigger than 4,400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 4, and better charging speed 45 watt instead of 25 watt on the Z Fold 4. Samsung have apparently a few key goals to accomplish with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This year Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with the new hinge design and a new aspect ratio, which brings down that Samsung will not going to change the single hinge design on the Z Fold 5. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.